G'day guys, Josh here from Stat Matero. Just a quick one today. We've got a pre-production beta cross trainer cone valve drop-in replacement cartridge kit that we're doing here in-house. Been testing these for a while, great feedback, a few little changes along the way, and yeah, we've got our pre-production ones ready to go. But I just wanted to show you what it is, what it's about, and how easy it is to change from the DIY market. So here's the fork. I have drained the oil out already because we don't need to be looking at the mess. We'll whip the old one out and then I'll show you what we've got to change over, and then we'll talk a little bit about it. So pretty much with the fork out of the bike, we just want to undo the fork cap. And get there in a sec. Alright, just want to undo, we keep the original cap and the lock nut. Squeeze those two off. Unwind. Keep the cap. Keep the locking nut, undo the bottom bolt, which is a 10mm Allen key. Alright, pull that out, you don't need that anymore. There's your old cartridge, throw that in the bin. Then we grab our cartridge. So we've got a pass-through retaining bolt to get to our compression adjuster. So it's not a clicker, it's a turn. You've got 8 turns of adjustment in this little baby to adjust the low speed bypass. We'll just pull that out. The little turn assembly's in the bottom there, so it's already pre-fit. Sit that down there. We've got our cartridge, so we're running a 23mm cone cartridge, fully adjustable in rebound and compression. It'll come like this, so it's a basic product in terms of simple and price effective. So pull the tape off the end, rebound rod's in there. All we've literally got to do is put your M12 iron 25 nut back on, winding down. You've serviced your fork, so it's all clean, ready to go. Drop your cartridge back in, push him home. Just have a look down the guts here, make sure that it lines up with the hole. It does drop in and locate a little bit, just make sure that it does that. Then make sure that that's pushed in the bolt. I'll talk about that in a minute. We wind that in the bottom of the cartridge. We use a 12mm Allen key this time. Just snip that up. We can torque it up with the torque wrench in a minute. And then we use a 4mm Allen key, which I'll just go and grab the Allen key, 2 secs. So with the 4mm Allen key, you can push that up through that bottom bolt, lightly push and engage into the Allen key adjuster, and then you can just wind him home until it tops out. Right, we just take note where that is, and then just wind it back, default position, about halfway, 3.5, 4 turns. So we'll set this one at 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull your rod out, refit your cap. Just hold the rod and just tighten him down by hand until you feel it go tight. Yep. Bring the lock nut up. Grab your spanner, tighten up your cap. The torques and everything will be in our install manual for that. Fill it up with oil, bleed it, set the level as per the specs that will be supplied, put it in the bike, have a ball. Simple as that. Cheers guys.